I'm almost level 68 from that now.
Oh, nice.
It actually levels you up quite a bit.
Wind up Bismarck.
Let's see here. Gold haloed sack.
Ooh,
What's
material.
General
Yeah.
purpose dark blue dye. Do I have this minion?
Vitality Materia 5. Bang.
Oh, and then... Oh my god, I fucking hate this game.
What'd you
wind
get?
up black
An
snake.
Empyrean Pine Log.
Oh, bop, bop.
Empyrean clay.
Empyrean what?
Empyrean clay.
Also, fuck Wind Up Bismarck. I will just
What?
say that right now. Fuck Wind Up Bismarck.
You're
I got
right.
wind up black snake.
Lord of Vermilion. That's why.
Oh.
Wind Up Bismarck is able to nuke a shield from across the fucking map.
Oh.
And it makes me angry. It was the only
Used
thing that killed my strategy when I was farming MGP.
I'm sorry.
Seems like you should
So
get
you,
some
so
wind up
you
Bismarck.
literally have against giant whale things.
Literally, you can summon 2 Wind Up Bismarcks, and it activates their special, and then you can use it, and it insta-kills it half kills the shield. Summon 4 of them, and it fully kills the shield.
Delicious.